Hi guys, and welcome to yet another video setting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to learn about variable stroke width or size. Okay, so I've just made a line with the line tool and we are going to zoom into it a little bit like this and bring it to the center and a little bit more like this. Now we're going to increase its size to 20, say, or okay, maybe increase it to 40 perhaps. Okay, like this. Now we already talked about this in the last tutorial where I showed you that in the profile area you can change the size from uniform to these shapes, and there are many other options here also. Okay, this is also given these options right to the point where you can increase its size. Here it says uniform, which is a line, specified length, or you can make these sort of stroke shapes with it. Okay, but today I will not talk about the shapes that are readily available in it, because these are quite limited and they might not serve your purpose. You can make your own shapes also by coming to this option which says width tool. Keyboard shortcut for it is Shift plus W. When you select it and come over and over the stroke on its line, you can see there is a small icon or diamond shape up here. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see it clearly. If you hold on it and then drag to the outside, you can increase the width of the shape, or if you drag closer towards the line, you can decrease its length. Okay, let me increase its length like this. First of all, zoom out a little bit. Okay, now we increase it. Now we can do it again like this and make quite a lot of interesting shapes in here if you want to, that is, of course. Okay, now we have made this shape, and now you are not only limited to making symmetrical shapes. Of course, symmetrical shapes looks really well, but if you want to, you can also make uneven shapes by holding the Alt button. And if you hold the Alt button, only one side is modified like this, and now the stroke is becoming even more interesting like this. And we can even make it from this side too, like so. Okay, and now if you like your stroke, which I don't like my one, but if you do like it, you can come here to this option which says add to profile, click on it and give it your own name. I'm gonna give it my own name, save stroke, so we can save it. And now if I go to my let's say spiral shape and draw a spiral over here like this, and increase its size to probably 10, and then go to my options and select my one save stroke that I just created, this one, and apply on it, and it is applied. And in this way you can make interesting strokes that will be readily available for you to apply to your stuff, rather than having a uniform line on this thing or stroke which does not look that interesting. You can apply this sort of strokes to it that you created or you have modified yourself, or you can continue on modifying them and applying them. They look more interesting, and you can have variable size and variable shapes with it. So for that you have to use the width tool. I hope you like this tutorial, guys, and that concludes our fill and stroke tutorial series inside our Adobe Illustrator tutorial series. In the next tutorial we are going to start a new topic in Adobe Illustrator, and hope you stick around for that to learn. And if you have any suggestions regarding these video tutorials, you want my videos to be improved in some way, or there are some problems with them, please do share your honest thoughts with me. I will try my level best, to the best of my abilities, to improve in those areas. So if there are any mistakes, I sincerely do apologize for them. Okay, goodbye for now.